Ever wish you could create stunning, AI-powered images with just a single click? Introducing Airbrush, where turning your creative ideas into breathtaking visuals is as easy as it gets. Here is how simple it is to use. Start by clicking Create Image. Enter a detailed description of your vision. Select your preferred AI engine and set the image dimensions. With everything in place, just hit Create Image and watch as Airbrush transforms your idea into a beautiful, ready-to-use image. Love what you see? Simply click Download to save it instantly. But what if you are looking for even more inspiration or variety? That's where the Search Gallery feature comes in. Just type in a description or keywords, click Search, and explore a rich collection of images tailored to your criteria. Whether you are looking for specific styles, moods, or scenes, Airbrush offers endless possibilities. Once you have found the perfect image, just click Download and make it yours. Whether you are generating custom visuals or exploring a gallery of endless inspiration, Airbrush is the ultimate tool to elevate your visual content. Dive in and see what you can create. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.